Presenting iPrep Digital Class with LG CreateBoard, a new age smart class solution for 21st century schools. LG's interactive flat panels displays are available in multiple sizes. These flat panels run on the latest Android version and have a built-in OPS slot for Windows mode. They feature multi-touch functionality for classroom collaboration, and teachers can use them as interactive whiteboards. Teaching tools like rulers, shapes, tables, together with features to import images, take screenshots and more, can make classes engaging and joyful. LG panels are perfect for iPrep, providing flicker-free, high-definition screens for various categories of digital learning content such as animated videos, syllabus books, practice and test questions with feedback and much more. This lets teachers teach as per their pedagogical style based on the interest and needs of their students. Teachers can easily switch grades, addressing learning gaps and adapting to students' needs. iPrep is bilingual and comes with end-to-end transliteration, allowing teachers to teach in their preferred languages. Enjoy a digital book library with stories, poems and more, promoting reading and comprehension skills. iPrep captures all usage reports and syncs them with the online reporting dashboard. It offers detailed monitoring and evaluation at various levels. These features, together with LG's quality and support across India, enables teachers to enhance learning through digital content for students to learn unlimited.